Hello, this is Valerie at My Scrap Chick, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the holly trimmed envelopes. And in this package of envelopes, you used to get two sizes. You used to get A2 and A6, and I've just now added the A7 size to that same bundle. And if you've bought it previously, you can download it again and you'll get that. So anyway, like I said, here's the A7, the A6, the A2, and it's a really fun envelope to tuck your Christmas cards into when you've gone to all the trouble of making those beautiful handmade cards. You know, wrap it up in a pretty envelope. So we'll get started with this, and when you get the pattern and you cut these pieces out, this is what you'll get. This is the basic envelope part, and you're going to want to turn this facing you so that you can put these pieces together. And what I do is I put the backing on first for the holly. And then I'm going to add each individual leaf. And there's two sizes of leaf. There's two larger ones and a smaller one that goes on the very bottom front. And what I did on these leaves was I inked the edges a little bit on the top layer. I inked them in a lighter colored ink so that they kind of pop out. And then once you have the leaves on, you're going to add the berries. And there's three pieces to the berry. You're going to add the large piece first. Kind of line that up in there in the center. And then add the two layers. And you can just line that up with any part. And if you like, you can take a white gel pen, like I did on this one, and kind of give it the berries a little light highlighting there. Okay, and so now that we're done, we're going to fold this upside down. We're going to fold along all the score lines. And then I'm going to bring the bottom piece up first. And I'm going to run glue down along there. And I'm also going to run glue over along here. And then when I fold this over, it's going to give a nice firm seal. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Run the glue up here. And then down along here. Fold it over and press down. And if you like what you can do to make it convenient for when you go to seal your envelope, I like to just add a piece of two-sided tape. And I just add that at the time that I'm making the envelope, and I can take the backing off later when I'm ready to tuck in my card and mail it. And then I'll just take this off and it'll seal the envelope. And there you have it. You can find these on our website at myscrapchick.com. Enjoy.